Welcome back. So this is a continuation of the previous video. So in this video we'll be installing WordPress now. So let's quickly extract the WordPress file. So we're going to be moving this WordPress folder into our HT docs where our website will be loaded up from. So we just moved WordPress into our HT docs folder. So let's refresh this browser so you can see WordPress here. So let's click on it, WordPress. So you can see welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, you will need to know the following items: your database name, database username, password, and host. So we need to create a database for our WordPress. Remember, our WordPress needs a database to run. So let's quickly go to our PHP my admin. So remember, I bookmarked this page. So if you lost it, you can just type your localhost /PHP my admin to load it up. So let's this is a nice to database. Yes. Sorry about that, guys. So database has been created. So this is our database. So just go to the database now, my site. So let's quickly go back. Let's go. Database name will be my site. Since we've not created a username for our database, so we'll be using root. This is the default username for our computer. We'll be leaving the password empty for now. This is how it's been set up. So I leave the password empty and click submit. I need to write to the WP config file we can create manually. Okay, so they want us to create one. Let's run install. So we want us to create a WP config manually. Okay, so let's quickly go to think editor. Refresh. Let's open this file again. Now let's produce the sample file. So let's create this and create a new called WP. Let's see what's PHP. Yeah, I'm going to paste this file inside here. So this is where we're putting our database name. So remember, our database name is my site, then our username is root. We have an empty password, so we need this empty. One our local host, and we have our prefix for tables. Let's save this. So let's just refresh this page and see what we have. So it says it already exists. Let's click on this. So welcome. So this has brought us to this page now. So I think that worked. So we are now to select our website name. It's in our username and password and email. So let's quickly type in our website name. So let's type my site. The username, let's use so this will be our username for logging into our WordPress admin. So let's use admin and our passwords. So I should use admin. This is weak, but let's use it anyway. Let's just use the suggestors. Yeah, strongly recommend using admin. So something and I always remember admin. So confirm use of your password. Yes, so there is a password. You have to type in the password here. So this is where you can receive your login details. to quickly type in my passwords or let me put in the sorry, my email. Let me type in my email. So searching for this very search engine from indexing websites is up to changes and okay, so let's just leave that it install WordPress. So success WordPress has been installed. Just copy our username. Our password is remember our password. So just type username and our password. So it's currently logging in and voila, welcome to WordPress. So now we have our WordPress website loading up locally in our computer. Now let's go to visit my sites. So this is the default WordPress website. It's quite beautiful. This is what they gave us some different sample page about this option for creating space. So this is what we have here on default. Yeah, so that's good. If you watch the video up to this point, congratulations to you. You have successfully loaded up a WordPress website locally on your computer. The next thing we'll have to do is installing a theme for our WordPress websites, which we'll be all doing in our next video. So stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you so much. Please make sure to like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to share.